the Putco Venture TEC Overlanding truck rack. Accessories galore, absolutely going to take the look of any average rack from easily 1 to 1,000. Give you a quick close-up on the design here. As you can see, nice textured matte black finish, aircraft grade aluminum construction. And of course, as you can see, the shape there cannot be beaten. At the very top, we've got 2 slots for T-channels, so you can carry anything from kayaks to bikes to the kids maybe in the back seat that are talking a little bit too much. Absolutely limitless options. And on the side, of course, we can put a number of other accessories like the Putco Blade LED light or mounting plates. We've got a number of different handles and other holsters, tie downs, and stuff like that that you can use as well. £1,000 static approval, 600 pounds dynamic weight restriction. So if you've got it, any job, it can get it done. The Putco Venture TEC Overlanding truck rack. Check this out and all the accessories from Putco, and join us at RHRSwag.com.
It sound right, boy.